Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to balance CuO plus H2S equals CuS plus H2O, and is it redox? Correct answer is the balanced chemical equation for the reaction CuO plus H2S equals CuS plus H2O is CuO plus H2S equals CuS plus H2O. To balance the equation, CuO plus H2S equals CuS plus H2O. CuO plus H2S equals CuS plus H2O. CuO plus H2S equals CuS plus H2O. This reaction is a redox reaction as there is a transfer of electrons between copper and sulfur atoms. Cu in CuO undergoes a reduction from +2 to 0, while S in H2S undergoes oxidation from 2 to 0.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.